In a dense forest, there lived a clever rabbit named Hopper. Hopper was known throughout the forest for his quick wit and sharp senses, which helped him evade danger and survive in the wild. One day, a pack of hungry wolves moved into the forest. These wolves were fierce and cunning hunters, and soon their presence sent a wave of fear among the smaller animals, including Hopper the rabbit. Hopper knew that he needed to be extra careful now that the wolves were around. He kept his ears perked and his eyes sharp, always on the lookout for any signs of danger. One evening, as Hopper was hopping through the forest, he noticed the wolves gathering together in a clearing. They were discussing their plans to hunt for prey the next day, and Hopper overheard them mentioning that they were hoping to catch him for dinner. Fear gripped Hopper's heart, but he didn't lose his composure. Instead, he hatched a clever plan to outsmart the wolves. The next morning, when the wolves set out on their hunt, Hopper approached them cautiously. He greeted them respectfully and said, "Dear wolves, I have heard of your hunting skills and bravery. I admire you greatly. I have a proposition that could benefit both of us." The leader of the pack, intrigued by Hopper's boldness, asked, "What do you propose, little rabbit?" Hopper replied, "I am small and quick, and I know every corner of this forest. If you spare my life, I can help you catch much larger prey than myself. I can lead you to deer and other animals that will provide a hearty meal for your pack." The wolves, tempted by the idea of larger prey, agreed to Hopper's proposal. They spared his life and followed him deep into the forest. Hopper led the wolves to an area where a herd of deer was grazing peacefully. With his knowledge of the terrain and his ability to move swiftly and quietly, he helped the wolves surround the deer and launch a successful hunt. Impressed by Hopper's resourcefulness and grateful for the feast, the wolves thanked him and promised not to harm him again. From that day on, Hopper and the wolves lived peacefully in the forest. Whenever the wolves needed help in hunting, they would seek out Hopper's guidance, and in return, they protected him from other predators. The moral of the story is that intelligence and cooperation can turn potential enemies into allies. Hopper's quick thinking and ability to negotiate saved him from a dangerous situation and forged an unexpected bond with the wolves. It shows that sometimes finding common ground and working together can lead to mutually beneficial outcomes.